Look in the mirror. If you look tired or dull, it's not bad luck. It's your habits destroying your face. Today I'll expose 7 things making you look older and uglier, and how to fix each fast. Let's begin. Mouth breathing, the silent face killer. When you breathe through your mouth instead of your nose, you're wrecking your face. Literally, it lengthens your jawline, weakens your cheekbones, and gives you that lifeless, tired, long face look. Mouth breathing also dries out your skin and raises cortisol, which accelerates aging. Train yourself to breathe through your nose, day and night. Tape your mouth when you sleep. Within weeks, your face structure and skin tone start shifting back toward your natural God face. Bad posture, the hidden double chin maker. If your head leans forward when you look at your phone, congratulations. You're giving yourself a permanent double chin and a weak neck. Poor posture shortens your front muscles and ruins that confident, upright aura that instantly makes a man or woman look attractive. Pull your shoulders back, tuck your chin slightly, and align your head over your spine. Practice mewing posture. It's not just for your jawline, it's for your entire facial harmony. 5 minutes of posture work a day rewires how people perceive you. Split screen of bad versus confident posture. The difference is night and day. Chronic dehydration, the skin dulling habit. You might be showering your face in expensive skincare, but if you're dehydrated, it's useless. Lack of water flattens your skin, deepens fine lines, and kills that natural glow. Dehydration also thickens your blood, so nutrients move slower, and your face looks lifeless. Start your day with a full glass of mineral water, not just plain tap water. Add a pinch of sea salt or electrolytes to improve absorption. Drink until your lips never feel dry. Your skin will look younger within days. My go-to hydration mix is linked below. It's the one I actually use every morning. Overwashing your face, destroying your skin barrier. Here's the truth. Most people are washing their face to death. Using harsh cleansers twice a day strips natural oils, wrecks your microbiome, and accelerates wrinkles. You think you're cleaning your face, but you're aging it. Wash once at night with a gentle, pH-balanced cleanser. Then moisturize with something simple like aloe vera or squalane oil. In the morning, rinse with cold water only. Stop fighting your skin. It's built to protect you. The cleaner your face feels, the more damage you're doing. Healthy skin should feel soft, not squeaky. Late night scrolling, the melatonin destroyer. Blue light before bed isn't just keeping you awake, it's aging your face every night. When melatonin drops, collagen production crashes, cortisol spikes, and your skin literally heals slower while you sleep. You wake up with dull skin and dark circles that scream exhaustion. 1 hour before bed, turn off screens or use blue light glasses. Dim your lights and let your body reset. Sleep is your natural facelift. Treat it like one. 1 week of good sleep versus bad sleep. The transformation looks unreal. Overusing caffeine, the hidden cortisol trap. You think caffeine gives you energy, but over time, it just burns you out. High caffeine spikes cortisol, dries your skin, and makes your eyes sunken, instantly adding 5 years to your look. That jittery, hollow eye vibe, that's not productivity. That's stress showing on your face. Cut caffeine intake by half for 2 weeks. Replace your afternoon coffee with green tea or water. You'll notice calmer energy and a brighter, fuller face. Your body thrives when cortisol is balanced, not maxed out. Weak mindset, the real reason you look average. The ugliest thing you can wear is insecurity. You can fix your posture, hydrate, sleep. But if your mindset screams self-hate, it bleeds into your body language, your face, your aura. Stress literally reshapes your features over time. This is epigenetics. Start thinking like someone who deserves to look great. Discipline and self-respect create beauty faster than any cream or surgery. Confidence sculpts your presence. You're not doomed by genetics. You're shaped by habits and mindset. Build your face from the inside out. If you're serious about becoming your best-looking version, stop doing these 7 things today. You'll look sharper, younger, and more confident in weeks. Subscribe for more self-improvement science that actually works, and check the links below for the exact tools I mentioned. Your transformation starts now.